What's up guys, IrwinTech here, back at it again with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use a different browser on your school Chromebook. Before we start today's tutorial, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so we can hit 70,000 subscribers. Also, don't forget to go follow my Twitter, linked in the description below. I post YouTube updates, random stuff, and if you're interested, the link never leaves the description below. You know what else never leaves the description below? My Discord invite, so make sure to join. You can chat with me and the other members, contribute to YouTube videos, and so much more. I'm not going to waste any more of your guys' time. Let's just get straight into the video. Hey guys, here are all the membership shoutouts for today's video. Make sure to go subscribe to the channels, and let's just get back to the video. Big thank you to our Discord boosters. Alrighty guys, so before we start this tutorial, these 3 sites will be linked in the description below. So what you want to do, these first 2 here are things you can use a web browser inside of your web browser. You can choose from like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, like any major browser you can think of, and you'll be able to use it. And then we have a proxy here for you guys to use just in case these are blocked. You can bypass it with this. So to use Lambda test, you want to click sign up for free, then just fill out all these details. After you've logged in, go to real-time testing here, then browser testing, and then you can put whatever URL you want here. Use whatever browser you want: Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, Internet Explorer, Brave, Opera, Yandex. You can choose what version of it, you can choose which type of Windows or Mac you want, what resolution. To reduce lagginess, I'm going to put it on 1280 by 720, and we're just going to use Chrome. We're going to do www.google.com, then click start, then just wait a few seconds. After that, your browser of your choice will open inside of your real browser, and you can search and type whatever you want. Like I can go to any site I want and it'll be unblocked for you guys. So that's the first way of getting a different browser on your school Chromebook. So I'm going to show you the second way. End the session here, end it, then go to the browser link site. This one's much more simple. I can just type google.com here. Just going to keep it at Windows 7, Internet Explorer, use Chrome, then click test now. Now just wait a second and you will have a browser of your choice open inside of your browser, so you can use whatever browser you want and you can search whatever you want and just browse the web freely. You can use any browser you want other than Chrome on your school Chromebooks, which is super nice and helpful. And then when you're done, just click end session. And then if these 2 sites are blocked for you guys, go to the general mathematics here, click normal, then click on this second tab on the side, click ultraviolet, go to either link of your choice, copy the link, then put it in here, then hit enter, and then you'll be able to visit the same site but unblocked because you're using a proxy. And it's the same for a Lambda test as well. So yeah guys, this is basically how you use a different browser on your school Chromebook. I really hope you enjoy. Thank you all for watching. Here are all the shoutouts for today's video, and if you want to be featured in one of my videos, just comment down below. I subscribed and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Anyways guys, really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.